Guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you're watching this on Instagram, hit that follow button. If you're watching this on YouTube, hit that subscribe button so you never miss another video. If you're watching this on Glamily, hit that follow button so you never miss another video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I appreciate all the love and support. And again, thank you so much for watching. Guys, so basically I'm using my e-file and I'm just filing the surface of my nails to smooth it out because I just took off a Gelx set, and usually with Gelx they use clear tips, but I wanted to try to see if I can use the Gelx kit using my press-ons, and I watched a video on how to do it, so I'm trying that out today. So basically I'm just filing off my nails, making sure I get all that excess glue, and then I'm cleaning around my cuticles, removing all that extra dead skin, just making sure I have a really smooth surface to work with. And then I'm using my brush bit to brush off that excess dust layer. So these nails are glamnetic nails, and they're like coffin shape, and they're like a light pink. So I'm just filing off the back of it to try to make it a little bit thinner to make sure that it cures. Then I'm going to brush off that excess using the brush. So I have my nail prep dehydrator. I'm going to brush on the dehydrator and let it dry for like 30 seconds. And then I'm going to apply the glue to the back of the nail. And I'm also going to apply it to my fingernail. And what you want to do, make sure you cover your whole nail with the glue. And then you I turn my light on first, and then you want to apply the nail kind of to an angle, press it down really firmly, and then as you're holding it, put it underneath the light for like about 15 seconds or so to just make sure that it's secure and all the way on, and then you can let it go. I like to let mine cure for 90 seconds. And then I check it to make sure that it's all the way secure, and then I cure it for an additional 30 seconds just to make sure that it's not going to pop off on me doing something like really simple or basic. And you want to do each one finger at a time, because you have to hold it down to cure it. Otherwise, if you just try to place it under the lamp without holding it down, it's not going to stay. It's going to come off or slide around. That's what I learned the first time. So I'm letting it cure again, and then I'm going to do the same thing to my other nail. And then the rest of my nails I'm going to apply off camera. I usually do my nails in the bathroom, but I'm still recovering from COVID and my body is sore, so I was doing my nails in my bed. So not the best camera quality because I couldn't get my phone where I wanted it, and I accidentally grabbed the wrong nail. As you see, it doesn't fit. It was the one for my middle finger on accident, but yeah. So I hope you guys can see what I'm doing. Okay, so now I'm taking this bit and I'm just going along the sides to file it down just a little bit because I don't like my nails really long, but I was trying to keep that same coffin shape. Now I'm going to add my base coat because I'm going to do a design. So I'm just doing one coat, and then I'm going to cure for 90 seconds. And then you want to take your soap solution or some alcohol to get off the sticky layer with a paper towel. And I also have some LED gloves that is supposed to protect your hands from the light. I'm just using a skinny nail art brush, and I'm just doing little squiggle lines here. because I didn't want to use the applicator brush that came with the nail gel because they're kind of thick and sometimes you get too much product. So I wanted to use these skinnier brushes so I could kind of control how thick or thin I want my lines to be. And between each color I cured because I didn't want the colors to run together. I mean, you can do all of them at once and then cure, but sometimes they run together, so I did one color at a time and then I cured for 30 seconds, went to the next color and cured. And I was gonna do some little stars with these nail art pens, but then I changed my mind and decided just to use stickers instead. And then I added some little gems to my fingers. I mean rhinestones, gems, whatever, I guess it's the same thing. And I put my nail glue on first and then I added my rhinestones and I cured for 30 seconds and I added some flour on my middle finger, cure. Then you add your base coat, cure, and then your cuticle oil and you are done. And this is a very cute spring set. Looks like you went to the shop but you did it yourself at home. Thank you guys so much for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.